Hello, everybody. My name is Donnar, and I am a caribou. That's also known as a reindeer. Now, today we're going to make a wonderful craft of my favorite person, Santa Claus. You might also know him as Saint Nicholas. Now, I'm going to need some fingers. Miss Tiffany, can you give us a hand making our Santa Claus craft?
Let's make a paper Santa. For this activity, you will need red and white paper, preferably construction paper, half paper plate, pencil, color pencils or markers, and a glue stick. Go ahead and grab your red paper, of which you will go ahead and fold long ways in half, and then start cutting a triangle starting from the bottom right corner to all the way to the middle part of the sheet. So it would be the left corner actually. So from right to left corners. This will give you a red triangle. Now, if you don't have half a paper plate already, go ahead and get a paper plate and cut it in half. I'm just putting my half paper plate over my red triangle for now. And now I'm going to go ahead and cut a circle that's going to be the top part of Santa's hat. You can use a cotton ball. As you see, I have a cotton ball on the side, but for demonstration, I'll go ahead and cut out a circle. And that will be on the top. That would be placed on the top of Santa's hat. Now I'm going to get a scrap piece of red paper to cut out a circle that will be Santa's button nose. Now we can go ahead and start gluing. So we will glue the paper plate first onto the red triangle. And make sure not to place it either too high or too low. We want it to represent that Santa's hat as well as his lower body, which will be the bottom part of the triangle. And now we can glue the button nose on. Now with a black marker or a Sharpie, you can go ahead and draw in Santa's eyes. Oh, and don't forget to glue on the white ball that's going to go on top of Santa's hat. So again, it could be the piece of paper or it can be a cotton ball. Now, if you like to give him some rosy cheeks, you can certainly do so, or add some even more color to his face, you can do so now. I'm just going to add some pink rosy cheeks on his cheeks. And that is how you make a paper Santa.
Oh, he looks so jolly. I can't wait to see him on December 24th. I hope you have enjoyed this craft. Oh, make sure you check out our San Jose Public Library catalog. It's full of books and DVDs and lots of other stuff about Santa Claus. You might even find something about reindeer. The link is in the description box. Now, enjoy your winter holiday and remember to stay safe and stay healthy. Bye!
Thank you for joining me in the San Jose Public Library. Please take a few minutes to fill out our program survey. For a complete list of other virtual programs, please visit sjpl.org/virtual programs. Also, don't forget to follow us at San Jose Library on Facebook and sign up for their newsletter at sjpl.org/e-newsletter to stay informed of all things SJPL. Have a great day.